Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your bank account is enabled for online access. Call or visit support if it isn't. Once done, use your registered mobile and email to receive activation codes. Make a strong password now and set up two-factor authentication, SMS, or an authenticator app to protect transfers and logins. Make sure your phone number on file matches your device. This initial step prevents lockouts and clears the path for all cardless transactions that follow. Open your bank's official app or website and sign in using the credentials and the second factor you set up. Once authenticated, choose the transfer or pay function, select beneficiary, add IFSC/account, or scan QR where available, and enter the exact amount. Before you submit, check daily limits and any fees displayed. Approve the payment using the OTP or in-app confirmation prompt. Keep receipts or transaction ID. They help trace payments if something needs fixing later. After the transfer completes, save the confirmation screen or screenshot it and note the transaction ID. Once done, reconcile the amount against your balance and enable push or SMS alerts so future activity is visible instantly. If a transfer fails, first confirm your available balance, that you didn't exceed limits, and that the OTP wasn't expired. Retry only after these checks. If problems persist, contact bank support with the transaction ID and time. This speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.